everybody. I hope you had a great Monday and a long weekend. We're going to call this Taco Tuesday Counting Collection. How's that sound? Okay, from kindergarten, we know that we have a collection of things to count. It's very hard to count when they're like all messy. So we have tools that we use to help us organize our manipulatives or whatever we're counting. So remember, we have these that we can choose from. What's this called? Yeah, 10 frame. Or we have cups that we can use. And if we have bigger items, sometimes we might choose a bowl. Today, but these are kind of small, so I've decided I'm going to choose 10 frame mats. So I'm looking at my collection. I wonder, let's see, I'm pretty sure I have 10. I may possibly even have enough to do another 10 frame. So what would that be? 10, if I'm counting by 10s, 10, 20. So I'm just gonna estimate today and start out with two 10 frame mats, and let's see where it takes us, okay? All right, so here we go. Y'all help me count. Y'all gonna be my counting partners today since I need a partner, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you ever need to pause the video, feel free to do that. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I just want to make sure they're in the squares. They don't have to be turned a certain way. I have more. I wonder if I have enough for another 10 frame. I think I do. Look at that. So I'm going to grab another. All righty. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more do I need right here to make this 10? Yeah, 2 more. I have them. 9, 10. Good job. And I have some more. Do I have enough for another 10 frame mat? No, I do not. So those are my ones down here. I'm just going to still try to line them up neatly, though. Can y'all see that? I'm going to try to line them up neatly, though, because I love for my mat to be organized. I want to make my teacher happy. If I'm a student, I wouldn't want my teacher to be happy. And I want to be able to count it easily. So is this easier to count than this pile that we started with? Yes. Let's see how many we have. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Wow. Amazing. 33 tacos. Okay. Is that making you hungry? Okay, so we know mathematicians always have to record their thinking on their recording sheet. And your drawing really needs to match your image that you created over here. So we have made kind of an image, like Miss Birdsong could come by and take a picture of this if I was working and counting. She could come by and take a picture of this, and I would love for your drawing, or Miss Smith or Miss Monroe, we would love for your drawings to match what you created over here, because it's easier for us to understand that you understand what you counted, okay? So I've already put my name on here. I'm just trying to save a little time. My mathematician name was Miss Birdsong. What did I count? Tacos. How many were there, guys? 33 tacos. And this says here is what it looked like. So you don't actually have to draw the squares, but you do need to draw the tacos. So do I need to actually draw the tacos? No, you need to just draw something that represents them. And we remember we do that how? Yeah, circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my first 10 frame. I'm gonna just get a little space and do my next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you pinch and flip when you're drawing your circles, then they'll fit on your page versus huge circles, because I would run out of room if I drew really huge circles making 33 tacos. So I'm gonna really try to control my utensil, my pencil, or my pen, whatever you're using at home. Try to control it so that you can make those images to fit on your page. So there's 1 10 frame. My next one, I need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then my 3 down here. 1, 2, 3. So then we need to label it. Pictures need labels. They need numbers attached to them. So how many was this? 10. This was a 10. This is 10. And how many are here? Good. there are 3. So I want my teacher to know that I know how to count these though, and she needs to be able to see how you came up with this number. So when you looked at this group, you said what? 10. This group, you made it from 10 to 20. And then this group, you said 20, 30. And then some of you may have just said 33, or you could have said 31, 32, 33. And I still like to get in the habit of circling I know it's right here, but that's just a habit that I like to get in because I want my teacher to know I know for sure what I counted. So I just kind of do it again right here, 33. All right, 33 tacos. Good job. Some of you may have chosen the cups. Is that okay? Actually, yes, that's actually perfectly fine, and it might actually be a little bit more efficient because this took me a little bit to put them all on the tens frame, but it's super organized. But my friend over there might have chose to use the cups, so I'm just going to replace my 10 frame here with cups, and then I'm going to show you how we would draw that. And there are my ones. I still like to line those up like a 10 frame because sometimes you're going to have more, and if you line it up like that, you're going to be able to count it easily. So I'm just going to flip over to the back and just show you how you would draw that. You could fill out the top, but this is how you draw it if you were doing cups. Do I have to actually draw a huge cup? No, but I'm going to just kind of draw a circle though that kind of looks like the top of a cup. So if someone's coming by to look at my drawing, they're going to know that I used cups. I could either do it one of 2 ways. I could draw 10 little dots in there to represent my 10 tacos, but one of my friends last year told me a more efficient way. What could you put inside there to represent how many's in the cup? Yes, 10. There's a 10 in here, and then another 10, and then here can be my ones. Or actually could put them under here, it doesn't really matter. Okay, I want it to match my picture, so I scooted them right there. So I could tell my teacher I counted 10. This made 20, and then this made 30. And these you could put 31, 32, 33, and show it that way. So mathematicians have different strategies, different ways that we think, and as long as you get the right answer, it's all good. Great job, mathematicians. I'm proud of y'all. Happy Taco Tuesday.